Hey everybody, Chaz here. In this video I'm going to be talking about the iPhone 9, which if you didn't know, is basically one of the possible names for the iPhone SE 2, which is expected to be the successor to the iPhone SE, and the iPhone SE 2 is expected to have an iPhone 8 design with iPhone 11 internal specs, which to be fair sounds really great for a phone. Anyways, let's get into today's video. So first of all, there's one tweet I found which shows that the iPhone 9 is already an option for the Virgin Mobile activation site. So here it shows 128GB and 64GB options, although it is likely there will be a 256GB option as well if you're willing to invest a little bit more money. This basically means on Virgin Mobile you can already activate an iPhone 9, even though no one will have one, so of course you can't because nobody has one yet. But this does give an indication that the launch is near for the iPhone 9, which is really exciting, as I'm sure you all are excited to find out about the iPhone 9 and see it in action. Next up, there's an article on GSM Arena talking about the fact that iPhone 9 cases have started arriving at retailers in the US. So these cases confirm the design of the iPhone 9 as basically the same as the iPhone 8, with an A13 chip instead of an A11 chip, and also 3GB of RAM. But this will obviously mean it will get iOS updates for longer and is a great alternative to the iPhone 8 if you're considering buying that, as the iPhone 9 will give you a newer and better phone that will last longer in terms of support. Thirdly, we have an article on 9 to 5 Mac, where apparently the writer has learned information about the iPhone 9, which I'm not sure could be true or legit, as he doesn't say where they learned it from, but anyway, it does seem somewhat interesting. So firstly, they say that the new iPhone will be called the iPhone SE, or the iPhone SE 2020, which is actually not what I expected. I did expect it to be called the iPhone SE 2 or the iPhone 9, but it's obvious Apple are treating this as a successor to the iPhone SE, and not as just another iPhone. Finally, let's talk about the launch date. There are people saying the launch is going to be tomorrow because of a new case as an activation option on Virgin, but I don't think this is likely to happen because an Apple insider claims that in a meeting they discussed the plans and decided to announce it on the 15th of April and then start shipping on the 22nd of April. But he also said this could change because, as you know, we are in the middle of the coronavirus pandemic, which apparently delayed the 31st of March launch date that some people predicted the iPhone SE 2020 would be launched on. To conclude, the iPhone 9 is very near to release and is likely to be launched soon, and I will update you as frequently as possible on YouTube and on Twitter, and I'm excited to see this iPhone 9 launch because it sounds like a great phone and I personally can't wait to see it in action. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe and turn on notifications to be notified each time I upload. Anyways, have a good day, see you next time, and goodbye.